Hi there, just wanted to have a look at SOP templates today and just thought we would review a few things that might be useful for your business if you're trying to create a standard operating procedure or a standard operating procedure manual. So firstly, if you jump onto our website, we've got a blog post here about SOP templates, and you can scroll down. It's quite a lengthy post here, but if you scroll down, there's a definition about what SOP templates are, but there's many different definitions all over the web depending on where you look, but the basic SOPs really have a context of 7 parts, which you can see here on the screen. So the part 1 starts with the title page, part 2 a table of contents, part 3 they usually have a purpose, part 4 procedures, steps or detail of the process for the SOP, and then part 5 quality assurance or quality control, part 6 is any terminology, and part 7 are references. We've explained each of those areas in a little bit more detail further down, but if you keep scrolling down further, there's a bit of an example here of an SOP, a standard operating procedure template. Now this is a very basic one, and it's more or less a document that is reused over and over again to create standard procedures in your organisation. So this one here shows a approach to answering the phone, something quite simple, and just shows steps. It also includes the process name, who created it, the date it was approved, the department, and at the bottom some notes. So SOP templates are quite helpful to standardise your processes within your business. Now if you want to take it one step further, you can check out the standard operating procedure template. Now this would be a manual that would collate all of your standard operating procedures together in one document. This is very useful once you start gathering all your documents together, and Microsoft Word is a very easy program to use if you want to create something such as an SOP manual. One other thing I wanted to show you was this particular Word document here where we've created this basic example. You can also get this for free on our website. If you just go to our website, just go to the blog page or the front search page and type in free SOP template. So if you just go to our home page and just use this template search here, type in free SOP template, hit search, and it will pop up at the top here. You can click on that and scroll down throughout the blog. You'll see a download button here, download a free SOP template. So you can download that template and use it as you wish in your business. Now this is a very basic outline of SOP templates. I hope you get something out of it, and if you've got any comments, feel free to leave them on our blog. Thanks for watching.